Hello, good day everyone. Today we are going to unbox and assemble the new cage for my cat. Remember I adopted a cat. It's a daughter of a stray cat. I adopted her when she was like a baby. So basically when she is outside here in my porch, she is staying on that little cage right there. It's a small cage that she can fit in there. I'm going to change that. I ordered something in Amazon that is really good. She lives in here if she's outside the porch, and there she is. Yes, and she has her own bathroom inside over there because it's connected to litter box. It's in there. So here she is. She is on her hammock at this time. So we're changing this one. It's a bit smaller for her size. She's actually growing up at this time. So she needs a bigger playpen for her to play around when she is outside here. Ming, how are you? I bought you something, so you're gonna like it. 3-layer deck. Yes, it's bigger. So I ordered this cage that I'm going to assemble today. So come along with me as I assemble the new cage for my cat. All right, here we go. So we're gonna have to assemble this one. This is a 3-layer cage for my cat. It's like a playpen as well that she can go up to 3rd floor. To unbox this one. Right. Oh wow, look at this. It comes with this, I think this is her hammock. It comes with a hammock. So yes, this is the hammock. Here. And here, all the attachments and all that. So we're gonna have to put everything on the floor. Over here. So come with me. Come on, let's go. You're gonna have to watch what I'm doing, okay? So she's getting bigger. Look at this. She's really getting bigger. She was just like a baby, and now she's getting bigger. So it's almost finished right here. So what I did is I connect all the panels, like all the thing with this. It's like to lock every edges of this one. And then the other one is a 4-way clip that you can clip 4-way, and there too. That's gonna be in the middle. And then this one, the flat one, is gonna be the outside and the upper part. So now I'm going to secure everything. So the good thing over here is because there is actually like a window over here, door over here, door over here, and door over here. So that's how it goes right there. So I think I'm missing some that is needs to be in there. This is the bracket of every panel. Like for this one, this is the one that I'm missing. Yes. I was like thinking everything has a purpose. Like this one needs to be here to secure. So I should put that first. How do you like your new home? There you go. Another project is done, ladies and gentlemen. My cat is very happy down there. She looks so happy. And I'm happy too. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to connect this litter box in there too. So she could use the bathroom inside there as well. And I'm going to clean it later. Alright, so here we go. So I connected the litter box right there, which is there's a hole in that side, and then she could go and do her thing. So I'm gonna show you how she's gonna go inside. So let's put her in. Right, go inside. Come on, go. Go inside, go poop. Right there. So I put a hole in here. There you go. So that's where she can go to her. There you go. That is connected to her pooping place. Yeah. So it's connected there. She's gonna go inside now. There she go. See that? She went inside. And boom. Voila. Alright. Alright, there you go. Come on. Let's go now. Come on. Let's go.